Hi everyone, in this video training we are going to learn how to mask an image in Figma like this. Okay, let's download this image. Just remove the background and download this image and go to Figma. From here, I'm just going to import the image. Okay, here is the image and click over here, and this image is too large. From here we are going to set the width 400. Okay, I'm going to minimize it, and here it is. Okay, here is the image, and I'm going to make it 100. Okay, here is our image, and just click over here on the right, you will see image, and crop this image. I'm just going to crop it, hit enter, and now we could resize our image. Okay, and from here we are going to get an ellipse. Just press the shift key and drag until we see the width 300. Okay, exact 300, and here it is. Drag it and drop here. Okay, here is the image. Bring the image top. I'm just going to rename girl on. Okay, come over here, and friends, on the right here you can see the dimension of the girl is 1/487. Just make it to 300. Okay, come on, here it is. Now it looks beautiful. Okay, if you want, you can make the ellipse a bit bigger. I'm just going to set 340. Okay, it's 340, and now I'm just going to adjust it. Okay, it looks great, absolutely beautiful. Now I'm just going to duplicate. Now I'm just going to select the ellipse and select the girl. Here you can see both layers are selected, and I'm just going to press Ctrl D or Command D to duplicate. And now here you can see we have got 2 ellipses and 2 images, total 4 layers. Okay, I'm just going to bring it top. Here it is. You can see girl on and ellipse on. Okay, press shift, select ellipse on and girl on, and right click on it, and here you can see use as mask. Just click over here and it is masked. Okay, so if I hide this, we can see like this, but we need this portion, and we can see this because of the top image. Okay, so what we can do is just select the top image, go over here and select crop, and I'm just going to bring it top until we cannot see the shoes. Okay, leave it default, and now here you can see. Okay, so select the girls. Okay, here it is. I could adjust the image. Okay friends, remember, if you want to adjust the image, you will have to select both the girl image. Then you can use the keyboard key. Just move it left, move it right. Okay, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Okay, I suggest you to just click over here on the mask and click on the image on the top and press Ctrl Z or Command Z to make it a group. Okay, and here it is. Okay friends, now if you would like to change the color of the ellipse or the shape, just select the second on. Here it is, and on the right we can change the color. Click over here and click over here. Here you can see it's great. Okay, now I'm just going to click over here and click over here, Command Z or Control Z and Command D to make it duplicate. I'm just going to select 3 and make it duplicate. Again, go inside here, click over here, and you can change color. Okay, beautiful. Beautiful ladies. Okay, set the color you like most. Okay, so in this it was easy to create mask with your image. I believe you could learn something new watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, hit the subscribe button to get more videos like this. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you again.